Imagine holding a device that finally, truly delivers on the promise of PC gaming in the palm of your hand. A machine so powerful it blurs the line between a portable console and a high-end gaming desktop. We have all been waiting for that one moment, that one piece of hardware that stops the compromises and starts the revolution. And if the latest intel is anything to go by, the wait for the Asus ROG Ally 2 is reaching a fever pitch that could fundamentally reshape how you experience gaming forever. There is a palpable electricity in the air right now because we are looking at a potential leap in performance that makes everything else feel like a beta test. You need to understand that this isn't just about a faster chip or a slightly better screen. It is about Asus taking every single critique from the past few years. The battery anxiety, the thermal throttling, the display limitations, and burying them under a mountain of raw, next-generation engineering. The rumors circulating right now point toward the heart of this beast being the AMD Ryzen Z2 Extreme processor, a chip that doesn't just nudge performance forward, but seemingly sprints past what we thought was possible in a 30-watt power envelope. Imagine having the freedom to fire up the most demanding AAA titles without constantly checking your battery percentage or fearing that your handheld is going to turn into a space heater in your hands. This is about total dominance in your pocket, and the implications for the entire handheld market are absolutely massive. When you dive into the leaked architecture, the sheer scale of the upgrade becomes clear, specifically with the jump toward potentially 64 gigabytes of DDR5X memory and massive storage configurations that finally allow you to carry your entire library without deleting your favorite games every time a new one drops. Think about the way this changes your travel, your downtime, and your home setup. You are not just buying a portable device. You are buying a gateway that docks into your desk setup to act as your primary machine. The design language is shifting too, with images surfacing that suggest a more refined, ergonomic chassis that integrates a dedicated Xbox button, signaling a much deeper, more seamless integration with the Xbox ecosystem that could change how your saves, achievements, and cloud gaming libraries sync across your life. It feels like Asus is aiming to create the ultimate intersection of Windows flexibility and console simplicity, a hurdle that has tripped up every other competitor in this space. If they nail this, we are looking at the death of the handheld-optimized compromise where you have to tweak settings for 20 minutes just to get a playable frame rate. The conversation around the display is equally intense, with a shift toward higher refresh rate panels that prioritize color accuracy and deep blacks in a way that makes every frame look like a piece of art. And we're not just talking about brightness, but about the sheer immersion that comes from cutting-edge screen technology. People are obsessing over the potential for an 8-inch screen upgrade, which would push the boundaries of what is comfortable to hold while providing enough real estate to actually read text in complex strategy games or see enemies in fast-paced shooters. But the real secret weapon here is the cooling efficiency. The rumors suggest a redesigned thermal path that manages heat so effectively that you can sustain peak performance during marathon sessions without the device feeling like it is failing you. This is the difference between a gadget you use occasionally and a tool that becomes an extension of your gaming identity. You have to ask yourself, are you going to keep settling for the limitations of current-gen hardware? Or are you ready to see what happens when the absolute limit of mobile silicon is pushed